Hey guys, let me show you this cool method I just found. As you can see, I barely have anything in this game right now, but that's gonna change in a minute. Just type this link in your browser and go to this site. Type in your ID or your email for the Play Store or the Apple Store. Now, select your device. I'm playing on an Android, so I'm going to choose Android. Tap on Connect. Next, choose the amount that you want and tap Generate. Looks like we have to do the human verification test. It's there to prevent abuse from spammers. It's really easy. Let me show you how. To verify, we just have to download a couple of apps and follow the instructions given here. Apps available for you will probably be different based on your location. Let me first do Lord's Mobile. Description says that I need to install this app and then run it for 30 seconds. Seems easy enough. Let's do it. On to the next one. It says that I just need to download the Hotspot Shield app and click Connect. Okay then, let's download it. Open the app. And tap Connect. We should be verified now. Let's check our game. Wow, look at that! Isn't it awesome? If you found this cool, don't forget to tap that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more awesome stuff like this. Have fun!